Hello, and welcome to WizStudio, the AI lifestyle image generator tool. Today, I'm excited to show you how to use the product swap feature. This is particularly handy when you need a consistent background or aesthetic across multiple products. Instead of recreating the same scene repeatedly, product swap allows you to reuse a background, a model, or even just the vibe of an image and apply it to different products. Let's dive in. First, head over to the Lifestyle Image Generator. Click on it and upload the image. Once your image is uploaded, scroll down to find the Reference Image option. Click on it, and if you already have a reference image, you can upload it directly. Alternatively, you can search for inspiration or a background that suits your products on the right-hand side. In this demonstration, we are working with jewelry, so I'll search for an image of a lady wearing a gown. You'll see a variety of images appear, and you can select the one that appeals to you the most. I'll choose this image of a golden shining gown and click on the Reference This button. After clicking, it will appear in the left-hand side box. You then have two options. Use this reference as the exact background or as style inspiration. To clarify these options, I'll click on this small icon. It provides examples to differentiate between an exact background and style inspiration. Here, you can see a product image of a cup and a reference image featuring a dining table. If you select the exact background, everything remains unchanged, and the cups will be incorporated into the image. Choosing style inspiration, on the other hand, references the image's style and aesthetics, adding the product to the image. Let's look at another example. Here's an example with a pendant and a model wearing one. If you desire this exact model, you'd choose the exact background, and your product will be worn by the model. For style inspiration, it only draws from the aesthetics, adding your product into the image. That's it. Once you hit the cross button, you'll return to the main window, and when you click on Use Exact Background, you can then add a prompt, like adding the product. After writing the prompt, choose an aspect ratio. In this instance, we'll select a 3:4 ratio and hit Generate Variations. You'll see that WizStudio has generated the images. Here, the necklace has been integrated into the reference image without altering the background. Now, let me illustrate the second way to use product swap. If you've already created a lifestyle image in WizStudio and wish to reuse the exact background for another product, here's how. Return to the home page. Open any thread in WizStudio where you want to reuse that exact background. In this case, I've opened an image of a necklace, showcasing a model in a gown at a party. I want to use this model and exact background for the first necklace we were generating an image for. I'll hover over this image and click on the Save as Theme button. After clicking, WizStudio will begin loading, and your image will be saved as a theme. Now, we head back to the home page and you'll find the image we've just generated. Once clicked, proceed again to the Reference Image section. Next, select the Your Themes option. You'll see the image is already saved as a theme. I'll click Reference This, and you'll see it appears on the left-hand side. Now I will type Replace, Product, and hit Generate Variation. Now you can see WizStudio has created the image with the same model, background, and environment remaining consistent. Only the product has changed. And that's it. With Product Swap, you can maintain your background while switching the product. It's fast, straightforward, and ideal for crafting visually consistent collections. Happy generating!